Welcome to week 7 of English 11. The plan for this week is to get started with our research paper in terms of creating an annotated bibliography and finishing finding our sources. So, this is an updated timeline that you need to be aware of. Again, this week it's all about making an outline, finding all of our sources, and then starting the process of our annotated bibliography. These are some key due dates that you need to be aware of, so you can kind of see where we're going to be headed in the next few weeks with this little research unit. So an annotated bibliography is essentially the same thing as a works cited list. It's where you cite your sources for your paper anytime that you're using something that's not your own. But there's a little bit more to it than just the citation. So you always have the citation first, and then following that, you have a paragraph. And the paragraph is composed of two parts: a summary of the source, saying that this is an article that talks about blah, 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 and then an explanation as to why it's useful for your essay. I chose to use this article because ... So if you were to look at it as an example, this would be one. This is kind of a lengthier example, but you got the citation up top and then the paragraph, or if you do two paragraphs, which sometimes if you're in a higher like college level class, you might do that. You'll notice both of them are indented. So that's the format of what it'll look like. So your job is to continue finding sources for your paper and then to start building that annotated bibliography. And if you need help, I have linked some resources in our week 7 module. And then we'll have some time to read. We're going to work on filling out this handout that I'm going to give you in class. So if you're gone, let me know. This is solely for the purpose of trying to help you with organizing all this information that is in your brain, taking the major topic and the big overarching research question and breaking it down into subpoints that you would talk about. And then lastly, for Friday and Thursday, we are doing a reading reflection. So this is going to be done in class. So if you were not there, you'll have to do this on a piece of paper and give it to me at some point. And then we are continuing what we started this week, which is the sources, the annotated bibliography, and creating that outline. So if you have any questions, please let me know.